2003 Chevy Avalanche 1500. Crew cab 4-door. 5.3 liter Vortec V8. This is a Z71 off-road package. It has a chrome side running boards. As you can see, it has no body cladding. Has the trailer tow package. 17-inch aluminum wheels. Very clean vehicle. Has the bug deflector. Nice tires, new brakes, no hail on the vehicle. The body is very straight throughout the vehicle. Let's take a look at the interior. Has the gray power driver seat, gray cloth interior. No rust on the door jambs. Good size back seat. These seats fold down, the glass comes down, and it gives you an open space to the back. The other side is just as clean. Let's take you guys for a quick test ride. As you can see, this vehicle only has 120,000. Idles right where it's supposed to. No misfire or hesitation. Has the adjustable foot pedals. Power windows. This also has the power fold-in mirrors with built-in turn signal. Has the in-dash 6-disc CD changer. Automatic climate control. It also has a next generation airbag. That's where it detects weight and it turns on the passenger side airbag. It has a built-in compass and an outside temperature. Steering audio controls. The transmission goes from gear to gear without any hard kicks or any kind of delay. Has a dash-mounted 4-wheel drive with automatic mode. Let's take you guys for a quick test ride. Check the transmission first. As you can see, the transmission shifts correctly. The vehicle drives straight. It's actually a very smooth ride. It has new front shocks as well. All the lighting, the signals, the gauges work correctly. The power steering is very smooth. Has a nice turning radius. Windshield wipers work. The heat works great too. Turn that off. Check the transmission once again. If you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call at Ride Auto. 952-882-7776. We're located on Highway 13, directly across from Burnsville Menards, right next door to McDonald's.